Welcome back, everyone. Today is a really exciting day because today I get to take my first look at this new ZR1 hood that I got for my 2021 C8 Corvette. So I just want to start off by saying just how impressed I am with the packaging of this new hood. I bought hoods before and they typically come in a cardboard box, but this comes in this solid wood container. It's got this little access hole right here. And there it is. Oh, you can really smell that clear coat. So there's a look. It's nicely wrapped. Look at that. Wow, guys, look at this. All right, slowly just unpackaging this new ZR1 hood. So far, very impressed with the packaging. You can tell they took really good care to protect this. So far, I gotta say the paint looks really good. I don't know if you can see the quality of this paint, but the reflection is brilliant. It's like glass. It feels amazing. And I'm gonna give you guys my whole honest review of this hood. I think the paint is excellent. Let's just see. Okay, that just comes right off. Man, I love the gloss black. All of these hoods that I've seen are carbon fiber, and I particularly don't like carbon fiber pieces on a car. I'm going for the smooth, clean look of just all gloss black everywhere on the C8 here. Like, I did a lot of modifications to the car. I've got the Z06 side skirts, I've got the diffuser, I've got spoiler, and I got all of that in gloss black, and so I wanted this hood gloss black. I mean, I'll put it right up to the car to see how close the paint is, but that looks extremely like factory hood. Yeah, I gotta say, I think this paint looks like I think it's excellent, in my opinion.
How's the hood look? It looks so good.
Here's a good comparison between the two hoods. Definitely the ZR1 hood stands out quite a bit more with a much aggressive look. Got this wire mesh. That ram air style. I think that looks really, really good. The factory hood does look really plain compared to the ZR1 hood. Now I just want to compare the paint. Now keep in mind, I'm gonna still polish this hood, so it's not perfect. I gotta say, the colors are pretty identical. Okay, I really can't tell the difference in the colors between the two. So I would say the color match is like, I don't think you can really tell the difference. I'm looking at different angles. I feel like the one on the right, the ZR1, has a slightly darker tone. Now let's do a reflection test. That's factory, that looks perfect. Not quite as nice as a factory finish. It's got a tiny bit of orange peel on the ZR1 hood. That's something you can polish. Again, this is just painted, right? Normally after you paint, after it's cured, you can go ahead and polish it up. But I gotta say, that still looks really good. Just needs a polish and it's gonna be perfect. I wouldn't say the paint is perfect. I feel like, honestly, like, to be honest, I really can't tell the difference. Like, I'm being honest with you guys here. I really can't tell the difference in the two colors. Maybe when it's out on the sunlight and I can compare the hood to the fender, but I really can't tell a difference by shining my light on it. So I feel like, okay, color-wise, it's perfect. Now it comes to fitment. Is it gonna fit just like the factory? Let's find out. There you go. Okay, lift it up straight up. Straight up. Very careful. Okay, so the factory bolts are a 13. These ones that came with the hood are a 14. Okay, so keep that in mind. Okay, so those are the bolts that came with the new hood. And these are the factory bolts. Okay, they look the same. I'll definitely use these on the new hood. Okay. Hopefully these will fit. These don't fit. Might have an issue. Okay, so the factory 13mm bolts will fit on the new ZR1 hood. Okay, so that's good. So I'll get my boys. They'll bring the hood and I'll just bolt it on. And then I can align it after. Boys, let's go. Easy, easy, okay. Okay. Hold it right there. Hold it, hold it. Okay, thanks guys.
So it's done?
No, I gotta align it a little bit. Man, that looks good, huh?
Yeah.
So I'm still in the process of installing this new hood, but I just want to take some shots and really admire this new ZR1 hood. So right now, I have it put on. I haven't tightened the bolts. So I'm gonna put the hood down, align it, and once it's perfectly aligned, I'll go ahead and tighten those bolts up. Then I can go put the hardware back on, and I'll probably, oh actually guys, bonus, they do have the holes drilled in the new hood. That's excellent. That's a really good surprise. Some of the aftermarket hoods that I've seen that are in the thousands of dollars, they don't even come with the holes pre-drilled. Now that is for your drainage, right? So that hole right here lines up with this hole right here. So if there's any water, right, that comes in here, it drains down into there. And the concern with this type of hood is you don't want a whole bunch of water just pooling right there. So every time I wash my car, I don't want to see water pooling up there. So I believe the water will just go down through this mesh, and it's hollow in this hood, and it will come down to the bottom and it will drain out of these holes, which line up perfectly with these factory holes. So that's excellent. I thought I'd have to drill up these holes, but I don't. So that's a good touch. That's a good bonus actually. But everything else looks really good. Underneath looks exactly like factory. Okay, I think I've got it aligned almost perfectly. Go ahead and put the hood latch back on. So this does have a little bit of play. Just want to make sure I got it aligned. There we go. Nice. Okay, so I'm pretty much done the install. I'm gonna go over the good and the bad on this hood. So I feel like alignment wise, it's pretty good. I think I've got it aligned pretty good. So I think fitment is almost close to factory. And I think just the design of the hood is excellent. So fitment wise, I think it's really good. Took a little while to align it to get it the way I want it to go. The other good thing about this hood, and like I said before, it comes with the holes drilled for your drainage, right? So these holes line up with this factory hole here. So water will, every time you wash your car, rain, etc., water is going to go in there. And then it's gonna come and pool to the bottom and it'll drain out of these holes here. So it's kind of nice that they put these holes in. You don't have to drill it yourself. This fit on perfectly, the hood latch, as well as the factory 13 millimeters, bolted on perfectly. So fitment wise, really good. Happy with the fitment and the style. And now I just want to go over the bad. And these may be minor, but the first thing is these rubber stops from the factory don't fit. I can't get it to fit. There's like no way it's gonna fit. And so take a look. See how it's just round? Coming over here to the factory hood. See how it's different? It's got this little cutout here, and these stops fit in really easy. So just like this. So these just fit in really easy on the factory. See? Not a problem. These do not fit this new ZR1 hood. So I'm a little disappointed about that. Because you can see design, factory. See that? Now I'll go show you the new hood. It's different. So I'll have to come up with another solution. I'm sure you can get some aftermarket rubber stops. Because the problem without having those stops is right, bangs around a bit. Okay, so that's the first problem. These factory rubber stops, or whatever you call them, do not fit this hood. The other problem, I just find the color, now that it's out in the sun, it's very close, but it's not 100%. Okay, so my final thoughts. I think this hood looks absolutely amazing. I think it's a really nice upgrade for the C8. I love the styling of the hood. I think it looks awesome. Fitment, I think, is acceptable. It's not perfect like factory, but it's really close. Overall, I'm happy with the fitment. So fitment wise, I think it's good. Styling wise, really good. And the price, I don't think you can beat the price. So it was $1,000 US. The bad, the color, maybe I'm just being like overly picky, but it's not 100% match to factory. The other negative is those rubber stops that go underneath the hood don't fit. So these factory pieces will not fit this hood. So I'll have to come up with maybe an aftermarket solution. So that's a bit of an inconvenience. And the paint itself, I think, is really good. It just needs a polish. That's it. It just needs to get polished up. So that's really the only negative. It's just the color, and the piece doesn't work. This is minor. I'm pretty sure I can come up with like an aftermarket solution. I'm sure I can find something like this and make it fit that hood. But styling wise, like, I think it makes such a dramatic difference for $1,000 US. But wow, like, what a difference. I think this hood just really transforms this car. I think it just takes it up another level. Like, it's such a nice, aggressive style hood. Man, that looks so good. Wow, that looks so good. No, I love the styling of the hood. And you can definitely see that bulge in the hood from the inside of the cabin. Man, that looks so good. Wow, really nice. Really nice looking hood. I love the style of the hood. I love the price. So very happy with this hood. You know, I think for $1,000 US plus the shipping, I don't think you can beat it. Now, if I could go back, what I would do differently is not get the hood painted. I would get the unpainted version and then take it to my body shop and they'll paint it to match perfectly to the car. But that's the only thing I would do differently. Then again, it was only a couple $100 extra to have it painted, so don't expect so overall, can't complain. Like here in the garage, it looks like it's a perfect color match. It's only under direct sunlight where you can kind of tell the difference, and it's really minor. But I think overall, I think it makes a really nice impact in the car, and I think it looks way better than factory by far. Like, there's no comparison. Like, it's such a nice style hood. Like, I'm very happy with it. Wow. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I can't wait to get this car out on the road, take some more videos and shots with this new hood. But that's gonna do it for this one. Bye for now.